Hello everyone, my name is Onam Gupta and you're watching India.com Z Media. Well, today I have with me someone whose talent inspires many, whose charm wins hearts and whose journey motivates all. So let's welcome Varun Sood. Hi Varun, how are
Oh,
you?
Anand, thank you for the lovely introduction.
I don't know if you remember, I had a conversation with you last year.
I remember it.
You remember?
Yeah.
That's lovely. And I just want to say again, you're back with the new season of the reality Ranis of the Jungle, promising more adventure, drama, and unexpected twist. First of all, I want to know how excited are you?
Oh, I'm very excited. Everybody loves a season two. When I got the call for Reality Ranis of the Jungle season two, I was like, great. That means everybody loved season one. Very excited for people to watch it. We have a lot more to offer this time. The contestants are a lot stronger, a lot wilder. And so we had to like amp it up in terms of even the challenges. And I think people will love this authentic side of reality TV now.
Uh, I just want to know, is there something fresh or unique this season that audiences haven't seen before?
I was just talking to somebody about this yesterday that I feel Reality Rani's season two is easily one of the most difficult reality shows in India. And because it's so difficult, I also feel it's one of the most authentic reality shows out there. Um, we are just orchestrating the challenges and all the drama that goes down between the Ranis is their idea. It's what they want of the show, it's how they feel in that moment. So I just feel like it's very real. It's a little too real, and I'm just excited for people to watch it now.
Yeah, and everyone is just so excited. And you started your journey by doing a lot of reality shows. And now when you get to host one of them, just does it feel like a full circle moment for you?
It does. It does. Also, it helps me understand the mindset of the contestant a lot better because I've been in their shoes. So I know that if they're feeling a certain way or if they're saying a certain thing, which others might not understand, but because I've been in that position, I can empathize with them a lot better.
Yeah.
So it's definitely been helpful that I've been a contestant before and now a host.
Do you feel relieved that I don't have to be part of any politics, any
Oh, that's
drama?
the best part. Also, like there's no fear of elimination. I come on set every single day. I
वो
watch the
एक
whole
रात
journey.
एक रात पहले बैठ के प्लानिंग प्लॉटिंग सब होता
और
था।
मैं होटल में रह रहा हूँ ये लोग जंगल और बीच पे रहते
आ,
हैं मैं तो चिल कर रहा
ओ
हूँ आराम से
अच्छा, आपका तो सही है, मतलब उनका सब वो स्ट्रगल है, सही। चलो, ठीक है। व्हेन you have a 12 women who have all had such different journeys and are surviving in such tough situations on the show, I'm sure there must have been some learnings for you as well. Am I right?
yeah I used to always feel and I'm so glad that these Ranis proved me wrong that every time there's a physical challenge you always imagine the guy to be doing a lot better. It's a very like ingrained thing in us as we are growing up because everybody says that oh men are physically strong and women are mentally strong. I think this season was a realization for me in a very big way that women are really strong both physically and mentally. Because the way that they stayed on the beach in that like 50 degrees of heat to survive all of that, to still look beautiful, to still have a smile on your face, is physically taxing after a point. And these women did it beautifully. And I couldn't have done it. There were a lot of men on our crew who were struggling to do it, and they were making it look easy.
Like कोई ऐसा condition जिसका आपने just task देखे and you were like, I couldn't believe it for once that.
Bhavya surprised me a lot. Uh,
Okay.
we all know Bhavya as somebody who can talk and who can prove a point by just talking. But Bhavya did surprise me in a lot of different ways.
Wow, that's great. And when you started your journey with roadies, Varun, was your intention was to join Bollywood all right after, or did you have like another plans in your
I had
mind?
no intentions of acting or like hosting at all. My intention was to go back to Delhi, join the army after that.
Yeah.
But again, I really liked how things behind the camera and on front of the camera it worked. I was very intrigued, so I just wanted to know a lot better. Came to Mumbai, very very grateful that MTV offered me a VJ contract. So I was signed with them for 5 years and got to learn so much and slowly fell in love with the industry. So started learning more, took acting workshops, and eventually found love in acting.
Yeah. And when people see you, they just instantly link you to shows like Roadies, MTV, Splitsvilla, and then call you as an actor. Does it that ever feel you limiting since acting is now your priority, as you mentioned?
Yeah. I don't think it's limiting. I'm really grateful for the opportunities I got before. Uh, and it was a part of my life that I really cherished. And touched wood for the last 2, 3 years now, it's only been about acting. And I'm reaching a different audience with the shows that I'm doing in the fiction line. Reality was a different audience altogether. So I'm now slowly building my audience in terms of the fiction world.
Okay, and you also said that now you just said like you want to shift away from this reality shows wala world. Is there any particular reason why? I mean,
I'm just not good at it. I realized it while I was doing it that I don't think I'm fit for a reality show as a contestant because there is so much going on a reality show that makes it interesting. You have to have an opinion about everything. You have
yeah,
to like keep your point a certain way for you to be heard. And I think I'm a really chill guy like that. Like things don't matter to me to that extent. Even when I'm on a reality show, I'm like, चलो ठीक है अगर नहीं खाना मिला तो नहीं खाना मिला क्या बड़ी बात होगी या फिर
मैं
अगर
नहीं कर
खराब
सकता.
जगह है तो खराब क्या बड़ी बात होगी चिल्लाने की कोई बात नहीं है. So I was a very chill guy even then.
Yeah.
And in fact, Ranbhai told me one time that you are not a typical reality TV contestant. And I said, I know that. And when I properly understood that, then that's the time that I said, अच्छा ये तो मैं और contestant नहीं बनूंगा क्योंकि आता ही
This
नहीं.
is this is not what our audience want, Varun. ऐसे बोल देते हैं लोग.
हाँ बोलते ये तू शांत क्यों ऐसे क्योंकि मैं शांत ही हूँ मुझसे ड्रामा नहीं हो पा रहा है या फिर मुझसे
बुद्धा
अपना
बना.
पॉइंट पॉइंट नहीं रखने को हो रहा है मुझे मैं
Yeah.
ठीक हूँ.
तो मेरा मतलब यही क्वेश्चन था, बिग बॉस तो आपके होगा ही नहीं लिस्ट में कभी भी,
नहीं
अगर
नहीं
ऑफर
मेरा
भी
बिग
हुआ हो
बॉस नहीं
आपको.
नहीं 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 कभी नहीं.
नेवर. नहीं. एंड इंटरेस्ट है देखने में, अब
नहीं
थोड़ा सा भी डू वॉच?
नहीं.
नहीं, कोई भी सीजन नहीं, इस साल का सीजन भी नहीं. आई एम लाइक नॉट
पहले की
अवेयर
भी नहीं.
अबाउट इट.
पहले की भी नहीं.
पहले की भी नहीं. चलो
मेरा
वो
तो
ठीक
एल्गोरिदम में भी नहीं आता इमेजिन दैट.
है.
मैं इतना
कितनी
दूर हो चुका हूँ.
कितनी बार ऑफर हुआ होगा, आई थिंक आपको ये
हर
शो?
साल होता है.
बहुत, हर साल?
हाँ.
ओ, सो यू जस्ट से
अभी
नो.
अभी नहीं करना मुझे. आई एम वेरी फोकस्ड. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी इन द वर्ल्ड ऑफ एक्टिंग. It's a very fun space to be in. It's a more collaborative effort. And like I've seen all these shows before. I've seen a Big Boss before, and I think you are in a situation where you are not on great terms with people on the show. मुझे उस zone में नहीं जाना. I want to be in an environment where I'm working towards making a show bigger together in a happier environment. And I'm just happy to be acting right now.
Yeah, that's great now. And after your, work in Call Me and Karma Calling, did you notice a shift in your acting career? Like, did opportunities start coming you more easily, or do you feel it's still a gradual process?
I think it will be a gradual process for the next few years to just establish the fact that a guy from reality ended up getting 3 shows in a year. That doesn't change anything. I think people have appreciated my work. There have been offers, but I also have to be very cautious in terms of what I pick after that because they were great shows that I did, and they did very, very well. So I also have to be very cautious. Again, great scripts take time, and it will never be easy.
Coming back to the reality Ranis of the Jungle, I have this question. Who would you say holds the title of Rani in Bollywood today? If
Ananya
you,
Pandey. I have worked together. Also, now I know her work ethic. She's extremely hardworking. Uh, Everybody loves to work with her. Every time she's on set, everybody is happy. She's very easy to work with. And the amount of work she's doing at her age is commendable. So I think if I have to pick one Rani of Bollywood, it has to be Ananya.
before wrapping up, I have just this cute sa chota sa round, and there's just 5 questions, and the drill like rapid fire
Yeah,
jaisa.
I'm ready.
So, one word that comes to your mind when I say Prajakta Kohli.
She's an inspiration.
Inspiration. I would ask Ananya Pandey. You just called her
Queen
queen.
of Bollywood, yeah.
Okay, Aryan Khan.
Very intelligent.
You watched his Bads of Bollywood?
First day.
Oh,
Lakshman and Raghav are very good friends. Had to watch
okay.
it for them. I'm just amazed how intelligent Aryan Khan is as a director. Like he's done a beautiful job.
Wow. And did you like the concept?
I think it was very aware. The show was very meta. All the jokes were great. They were landing. And somebody who loves Bollywood will love the show.
Yeah. And कभी ऐसा कुछ देख के कभी ऐसा लगा कि यार ये तो मेरे साथ भी हुआ है, कभी ऐसा कुछ लगा हो यार, ऐसा एक बार हुआ हो कोई चीज देख के, कोई पर्टिकुलर सीन?
मेरे दोस्त ने मुझे चाटा तो मारा है। तो वही वही देख के मुझे लगा कि हाँ ये हुआ है।
Okay. And one rumor that about yourself that you actually enjoyed hearing ever happened to you?
I saw a YouTube video about this. My dad sent it to me. It's too funny. Where they said that my valuation is $50 million. Loved that. That's a rumor I loved. Both me and my dad loved to hear that rumor about me.
ये ऐसे वीडियोस आती रहती है, डू यू एंजॉय दैट?
मजा आता है। मेरे डैड मुझे भेजते रहते हैं। हर बार जब आता हर बार भेजते
घर पे ये घर इतना बड़ा है
हैं। हाँ
इनसाइड
हाँ
और
हाँ हाँ। तो बॉम्बे में इतने
फेक
बड़े घर नहीं होते जितना आप दिखा रहे हो।
फेक थंबनेल्स विद फेक थंबनेल्स. Okay,
हाँ।
I know this would be like very difficult for you, but Splitsvilla or Roadies, which show is like more
That's
memorable
a
for
very
you?
easy question. It's Call Me Babe.
Roadies. Oh, why? That was not in the list. That was
Yeah.
not in.
I think it's Call Me Babe. I think when Roadies and Splits happened, I still wasn't aware as to what I want to do in life
Mhm.
or what am I doing over here. I think when Call Me Babe happened, a Karma Calling happened, or a Naam Namak Nisha happened, I was more aware as to what I want to do in my life as a career option. On Roadies and Splits, I was like 19, 21 years old. I was very, very young, still in college, और मस्ती के लिए चला था वो सब. But
Hmm.
I think I understood what work satisfaction is after working on Call Me Bae, Karma Calling, and Naam Namak Nishan. Call Me Bae, I had a lot of fun shooting, so that's why Call Me Bae.
Okay, चलो मैंने दे दिया आपको, वरना I would have forced you कि प्लीज एक चूज करो, ठीक है?
मैं तो Call Me
Uh,
Bae ही बोलता.
okay, lastly, one iconic role you wish was offered to you. Any role?
One iconic role that I wish was offered to me. Actually, any action film, like or
Action.
any superhero film. If
Okay.
India ever makes a superhero film, then I would love to be part of it, like a proper, or if like Marvel or DC decides to come to India, if there are auditions for it, I'll like that's my dream role.
That's a dream role. ठीक है, let's manifest हो जाए. We should manifest that.
That's
Uh, again, that's all. Thank you so much for joining with us. And I just want to say I can't wait to watch the season 2 of Reality Ranis of the Jungle. आज ही premiere हो रहा है, and I'll just watch it on Discovery. And
Thank you so much.
thank you so much for joining again, Varun.
Thank you, Arun.